My name is Chesnutt. I'm working for Samaritan's Purse at the Tuscaloosa Rebuild as their cook. You know, I love my job. It's just such a blessing to be the hands and feet of Jesus. I'm not going to tell you it's an easy job. 4 o'clock in the morning is a little early. I had hungry children. They needed to eat, so I had to learn how to cook. The Lord's really blessed me and gave me a talent that I could use for Him. Without the Lord's help, I probably couldn't even boil water. To make this rebuild work, it takes a lot of things in the recipe. And I think God does have a recipe. I think God's plan is that we can make Christ known. You can't just have one part. It all has to be mixed together. Every part's important. Sometimes I think, you know, I miss being out with the people or whatever. Well, my job is to do what I'm doing here. You know, God's in charge of what's going on here in Tuscaloosa. He's in charge of Samaritan's Purse from the very top to the very bottom. Our job is really secondary. The love of Christ and showing the love of Christ to other people, that's the main focus. Jesus Christ has so radically changed my life. You know, I can't do anything but tell people about my Lord and Savior, and He found me in a place where I was so unworthy, where I was so undeserving, where He had every right and reason to just cast me aside and forget about me. But you know, He didn't do that. He opened His arms and said, "Welcome, welcome, my child." And you know, that's the message that I want to get out, is the reason I do this is not that I will ever be able to repay my Lord and Savior for what He did for me, but it's my way to show Him how much I love Him because He did it for me.